Let's back the business owners. A special breed of people with so much in common. Like the courage to build a business, to make mistakes, and come out on the other side more savvy and ready to fight harder, armed with the wisdom that they've worked hard for. But at the same time, no two are the same. There's the doers, the dreamers, the big and the small picture guys, the quick on their feet, the calm force, and the cyclone of showmanship. I'm Andrew Banks. I believe it's time to take Australian business to a whole new level. And that's why I'm partnering with American Express for an initiative that backs business owners and helps us share what we've learned. Because individually, we are strong, but together, we're even stronger.